Hi everyone, welcome back to another Cut Above with Chris. Little unboxing. Well, see a little, it's a big box, but they normally come like this. Well packaged, there's nothing shaking about in here, and it has come from Canada Karve Shaving Company. Now, I'm pretty sure I know what's in here, but I did ask Chris to sort of make a decision on the handle for me, so I don't know whether he's a good lad, isn't he? Greetings from Canada. Greetings from Edmonton, which hopefully I'll get to see soon enough. I think that's the stand. I wasn't expecting a stand. So most of you probably know what's in here, and this probably sort of gives it away completely. The Overlander in aluminium, or aluminum. The little personal touches. I'm not sure whether this goes out in every single razor, but I would imagine it actually does. Got one of these already, that goes to good use. I like using stickers, they sort of go everywhere in the house. I think that'll probably say the usual, remove the washer before use. I don't use the washers, I don't give a shit if the aluminium gets a bit scratched or whatever. And there she blows. One Overlander with a green knoff handle, and that looks absolutely fantastic. There's actually a bit of weight to this one. The head style's so different. I've still got a blade in my Christopher Bradley, but you can see the difference in the head stick styles. Totally different angle of blade attack as well, you can just see. Handle length is longer than the 3.25. I did say to him just to sort of send what you think looked best with the head. I think that looks fantastic. It's got amazing grip. And I do love this. It's almost like an emerald green. It's not like a vibrant green. It goes very, very nicely with the black razor. Holy shit. Well, I wasn't expecting that. There's absolutely, there's no feeling, there's no noise from that thread going in. It's like it's silent. I don't even feel any grain or grit or anything. That's incredible. That's machined to like absolute perfection. There is a little bit of grease on there. Three-piece razor, and as per normal with Karve, it's machined to absolute perfection. I'm just going to wipe that tiny bit of grease off of that because I don't really need that there. Now that will obviously assist in the threading being so smooth as well. But three-piece razor, everything on there is, I mean, this is immaculate in comparison to the Christopher Bradley aluminium that I used to have. There's literally not a freaking mark on this. See under there, made in Canada, Karve shaving coat. What a beautiful razor. I'm just going to load a blade in there as well while I'm at it, why not? Since I'm enjoying these so much at the moment, I shall pop a Polsilver Super iridium in it. And this will be tackling a head shave, probably not today, but most certainly tomorrow, before I head back into work. So there is the blade, Polsilver Super iridium. There is the top cap. The base plate. and then the handle, which is so smooth. There we go. One finished, ready to shave. Come on camera, you're struggling today. What a stunning razor. Lather channels are huge. I don't know whether you can see that on there. Nice size lather channels. There's no overhang on it. It's literally a beautiful little razor. And I'm assuming that this is a little stand for it as well, which I wasn't expecting. Well packaged, as always. Oh, this is a different style as well. Different style to the Christopher Bradley stand. Very nice. Once again, absolutely immaculate. Like, there's not. There you go. There's not a single mark on this. Yeah, the anodizing, the colour anodizing of the black is just phenomenal, and that slots in there, like so. Beautiful. What a stunning little razor. I can't wait to give this a crack on a head shave. I've heard this is very good on head shaves. I've heard it's great on face shaves as well. I'm not sure what the blade gap is on it, but it's not massive, and it looks like it's got reasonably neutral blade exposure, but I think it might just be positive blade exposure. I think it's maybe just sticking out a little bit, but that is a very nice looking little razor and stand. So Chris, thanks for sending it over. I know I've been hassling you for years now about a titanium razor and hopefully they'll come eventually. I'm not the only one that would love one, but it's this would certainly look fantastic in stainless as well, that's for sure. And my good buddy Alan over in Canada would turn one of these stainless razors into one of the most beautiful works of art with his polishing technique. So fantastic. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Nice and quick, 7.5 minutes, that's pretty good for me. The Karve Overlander, I cannot wait to use it. Stay safe, drive safe, don't drink and drive, and I'll catch you guys next time. Cheers.